All right, everybody, so we're here at Grona Lund and we're riding Kvasten. Now this is what's considered a kind of like a family suspended roller coaster. As you can see, there's nothing below us, hooray! And the track is all above our heads. And then we're gonna fly over some of the roller coasters in the park. It's such a fun ride. It's meant kind of more families and small children, just like us. Here we go! Woo! Flying out over the water! Woo! All right, this is the central area of Grona Lund, and now we're flying over the haunted house. Hooray! Woo! Through the house! Out of the house! You sound like you said outhouse. And the final helix! Oh! And into the station. And the station is beautifully themed to the witch's room, and that's awesome. We love it.